G'day guys, Grumpy Trev back again with another 5-minute bite or minute review. This week we've got the Happymodel Snapper6 brushless mini quad. Now this is so tiny you could fit it anywhere. Yeah. Anyway, we'll stick it on the bench, have a quick look at it, and then we'll take it out for a spin. You get 4 spare props, screwdriver, prop removal tool, a couple of rubber bands to hold the battery in. You get a battery. Now there is 2 versions of this. You get one. There's a standard model and a basic model. One comes with 3 batteries, one comes with 1. But I'll leave a link down below so you can check it out anyway. Battery charger, and most importantly the quad. On this thing, these are the motors. They're actually Happymodel branded motors. They're 603 19,000 kVs. The flight controller, you can just see it in there. I'm not going to pull the top off just to look at that, but it's a built-in flight controller. It comes with either Flysky or Frsky receiver built in. The VTX is built into the camera or vice versa. 48 channels, 25 milliwatt. Nice little put together carbon fibre frame, not much of it, but it's strengthened up with these CNC prop guards made of aluminium or aluminum, as they say over in the States. Little plastic top there, which looks, it's pretty flexible. Don't know what it's made out of, but it's not that stuff that shatters, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, look, we'll take it for a spin and come back with a conclusion. Well, here we go under the pit. This is the racetrack under the house, those that don't know. It's zipping around faster than I thought it was going to, so I'm pretty impressed with this little thing so far. Nice and responsive, which is what you want in tight spots like this. Yeah, I'm quite enjoying this. I just really can't believe how hard this thing's going. One thing with it, when you get a low battery, it's a low battery. Anyway, try a bit of proximity stuff now. This is just flying around the workshop. If you want to be really dainty with it, it's nice and responsive. You can fly it really slow with no drums. And it's pretty forgiving. Bump into a few things, as you can see, it just bounces off them. Doesn't do anything stupid, just keeps going. As you can see, it's really manoeuvrable. So look, this thing, I just want more battery so I can fly it longer. You can probably see the 3 volts flashing. This thing, as soon as it gets to 2.7, 2.6, that is it. It just does not want to fly any longer. So a handful of batteries goes really well with this. It's not too bad. I got about 3 minutes out of this one, so yeah, that's fair enough. This is where the battery dies. You see the VTX drop out, and that's it. Well, I've got to tell you, this one's a keeper. I had a ball with this. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough batteries, otherwise I'd probably still be flying it. So if you get one of these, grab yourself a heap of batteries. They're only about $3–4 bucks each, so well worth it, because once you fly this, you want to keep flying it. Anyway, I'll leave a link below if you're interested. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up or give us a thumbs down. Catch you next time.